Did you know that you can use the XI410 and XI80 series cameras in autonomous mode to forward alarm situations to a signal indicator? For sure, it is also possible with an Ethernet connection and with your PC to show the alarm signal. But it's not necessary to have a connection to your PC. The camera and the alarm indicator will also work if the PIX Connect software crashes, or the power over Ethernet switch is down, or if the connection is lost or interrupted. So also without any PC connection, you will have the correct alarm detection coming from the camera. And at the same time, you can forward an active alarm to an acoustic or visual signal indication. The system has a very low energy consumption in autonomous mode of only 1 watt. Good to know to have a safe measurement.